If you can tell, can't tell. Don't know what I'm saying. I'm still delirious, but I am very sick still. But I'm feeling better today. I have a doctor's appointment later today because I'm pretty positive I have a chest infection. But here I am, cleaning. I'm crazy. So I am in our guest bathroom. Don't know why I just clapped, but this is where I'm going to start because it needs the less work. And I'm going to start by having a drink because I'm going to start having a coughing fit. I'm going to move this kitty litter out because it's going to now live in our garage. I'm going to have it set up in the garage there. I've got to get a second kitty litter. Checking if my cats are getting into mischief because those two just seem to gang up and cause trouble. But today we are deep cleaning both bathrooms, and I'm going to be filming this vlog style just to experiment a little bit, and because I'm gonna be huffing and puffing if I did a voiceover because I can barely breathe. First thing I'm gonna do is take this cat litter out and clean the floor, like vacuum it, so I'm not stepping in disgusting cat litter.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to an end. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. Yeah. Push it back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone. Never know when you're home. I get unstable, I get unstable. Remember the first time I met you, the way that it had made me feel. But later something changed between us, and now I don't know where we meet.
So the products that I'm going to be using in this video is some bleach to chuck in the drains, the Method foaming bathroom cleaner for the bathtub mainly, the Method bathroom cleaner for the sink and bathtub, the Method daily shower cleaner, some Glen 20 just to spray around while I'm in the other bathroom, the Dettol surface cleaner. Then on the floors I'll be using the Method mop and squirt mixed with the Ajax floor cleaner, just because the Method squirt and mop just smells amazing. If you haven't tried it, you need to, because it's going to make this smell so good. And finally I'll be spraying the rooms down once we're all done in this room spray. So I think what I'm going to do to start off with is wipe down all the windows, window frame, not necessarily windows because they look fine. I'm going to wipe down the window frame, all the edges of the tiles that you can sort of see back here, and this giant mirror. That's where I'm going to start, and then I think I'm going to tackle the bathtub and then do the shower, because the floors, I'm going to wash both the bathroom floors at once, so I will come back after I've cleaned our bathroom, which is the disaster of this video, and then do the floors all at once. So after the bath, I think I'm going to tackle this hot mess down here. He's got to be my constant helper, and then tackle the shower. So let's just chuck some music on and get to it.
I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. Yeah. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, in my bed all alone. Never know when you're home. I get unstable, I get unstable. unstable. I get unstable. I push you back, I hold you close. Push you back, hold you close. Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, I get unstable. In my bed, all alone, never know when you're home. I get unstable, I get unstable. Push you back, hold you close. Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, I get unstable. In my bed, all alone, never know when you're home. I get unstable, I get unstable.
This stuff is really nice to have a bath tube, by the way. I'll link it down below. I got mine from Big W. I don't know where else you could get it.
Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, I get unstable.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it, 'cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now.
Okay, it is much later now, and we are in bathroom number 2, which is my ensuite bathroom, and this is the worst one. This is the one that needs the most help, and I'm on a time crunch. I have to leave the house in 15 minutes to pick up Brody from work, and then we have to come back, and then we have to go get Sebastian from daycare today. So I have to get this done. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do now is get the stuff in the toilet so it's nice and can sit and work and do its stuff to kill the nasties, and pick up the humongous amount of toys and bottle caps that are in the bottom of my shower, because this is where our toddler has his showers mainly, because he just prefers to have them in the big shower. But the bottle caps we were collecting for his daycare, and he found them and decided to play with them, and they ended up in here. So they're gonna all go in the recycling or gathered back up and donated. So now I'm gonna try and, I think I'm just gonna pick up all that and take up take out all the empties and take all of, I'm not going to take everything out of the shower. Yes, there's also this in my shower, in my bathroom, that is supposed to be outside. It is sandcastles obviously, but I'm going to use it to pick up all his toys.
Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God. My, my, my. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God. Every day I'm looking for a way to return to the time when everything was easy to learn. Don't know when it started to get so serious, building up an illusion of a.
So from here, I think I'm going to just, I have 10 minutes. So I think I'm going to spray down the shower and let it sit while I pop out and then scrub it when I get back. Then I think I'm going to do the mirror, sort of like the same kind of thing, except for like, it's a different window, so it's over that side, so I'll do it over there. The lack of effort in this video. Lack of enthusiasm. Oh my God. So I have 10 minutes left, so I think what I'm going to do is spray down the shower and let it sit while I go out and pick up my partner, and then I'm going to come back and scrub it down and wash it down on the inside, and then I'm going to attack the mirror and the window, sort of like what I did in the last bathroom, and then I'm going to tackle the vanity, and I think that's the plan.
World full of trust, moving on. When everything's gone, it's hard to be strong. Confusion in my mind, no way to
Okay. I'm gonna do the mirror quickly before I go, and then I'll be back when I get back.
turn back time. My soul in need of remedy. Don't even know the enemy. When I feel out of touch, can't seem to get enough. Hiding away from everyone, I don't know where I'm coming from. It feels like it never happened. Maybe just a dream. Could it be my imagination running out of steam? All I know is every time I see you, I feel insecure. I'm unable to find the words. How can I be sure? I'm holding on. When everything's gone, I've gotta be strong. Confusion in my mind.
lie. And I put myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, wild nights, light bars, burning me up, you're burning me up. Yeah, you're burning me up. Wild eyes and scars. Yeah, let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light.
So, that's a game move. But I am in our guest bedroom. The first thing that I'm going to tackle, hang on. But I am in our guest bathroom. There's going to be some bloopers at the bottom of this bottom. I think there's going to be some bloopers at the back of this video. Anyway. And yet here I am. No. Where did it go? I don't do spiders. I do not do spiders. And this mofo's disappeared. So sick and delirious. I am that delirious because I am that sick. Oh my god. Okay, I got him. It's all good. Crest subverted. There's a cat scratching at the door because he has to be where I am.